Did you know a failed student once started a war that killed more people than World War I? And most of the world has never heard of it? His name was Hong Xiuquan. He took China's imperial exam 4 times and failed every single time. Then he had a total breakdown. When he came out of it, he had a new identity. He believed God had spoken to him directly. He believed Jesus Christ was his older brother. And he believed he had been sent to cleanse China of sin. People followed him. Then thousands followed him. Then millions. He built an army, captured cities, and seized half of southern China. His movement was called the Taiping Heavenly Kingdom, and it lasted 14 years. The Qing dynasty eventually crushed it, but the cost was staggering. Somewhere between 20 and 30 million people were dead. Here is the strangest part. Western Christian missionaries in China could not agree on whether Hong was a true believer or a dangerous fraud. Nobody could decide if he was a prophet or a monster. Maybe he was both.